Good day to you all. I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to know when it will spike in boom and crash. How to know when it will spike in boom and crash. Okay, I've been getting lots and lots of questions on this, which I've been attending to, but I think it is proper I create a video on this so that other people can also benefit from it and also take advantage of this. Then also it will also help you to know how I do it in my own way so that you can learn from what I am doing. So we'll be doing that in today's video, so sit tight and watch this video to the end. Make sure your writing note is ready with your writing pen, okay, so that you can take note of some of the things I will be highlighting in today's video. But before we go into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel. This is a channel which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, especially in the Forex niche. So all you just need to do is just to watch some of my strategies, understand, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. That is very, very important. In short, it is the most important aspect of every other thing that we are doing. We always practice first before we try it out on our real account. Okay, if you are not ready to practice, then you shouldn't be here. Okay, so that is very, very important. Then also, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. If you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell and set the notification bell to all notification. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video. Before I go fully into today's video, I would like to say a big thank you to you guys for sharing your results with me, your yesterday's results with me on the $500 trading tips and for boom and crash. Okay, I'm really happy that you guys are really killing it. You are really milking the markets with it. Okay guys, let me quickly give you a little advice. The main purpose of this program is for you to understand how to trade on your own and also to make some profit for yourself and withdraw your money. Okay, that is what I'm trying to say, that you should learn to withdraw your money. Okay, withdraw from your profit. I'm not saying you shouldn't grow your trading capital. You can divide it into two, use part of it for growing your trading capital and the other part for your own personal use. Okay, that way you will always have something for yourself, to take care of yourself, to take care of your friends and family. So this is very, very important. So guys, let's go straight into what we have for today, which is how to know when it will spike in boom and crash. Okay, let me quickly go to the Jamboard to give us a little explanation before we go into the charts to check out how we can identify all these areas. Okay, but first of all, like I said, like I used to explain, um spikes trading spikes trading is a very technical aspect of trading boom and crash. Okay, the reason is, you don't once you go into the market, it goes red in most cases for a while before it turns out to be blue, and that is what we don't want to see. We don't want to see the reds, we only want to see the blues. Okay, but it will only take some time before it turns blue. And if you are to trade spikes, I'll say you should see it as if you are trading any other assets. Okay, as if you are trading currency pairs. In most cases, when you are trading currency pairs, you know it's not going to turn out red. Turn out blue immediately. It can go red for a while before it turn out blue. So just that the volatility might not allow it to go so deep into a red right from the beginning. Most especially if you use the right lot size. Okay. So what do we do whenever we are trading fiat currency? We make sure we are in the right trend. We make sure we come in at the right place. We make sure that the support and resistance level were vivid enough for us to go into the market. Okay, so once we are able to assure this, then we place our order. Even though it goes on red immediately, we allow it. We wait for the time when it will go into blue and get to our take profit. So but the problem is, when it comes to boom and crash, we don't want to wait for these periods. Okay, just because the normal trend of boom and crash, which is sell for boom and buy for crash, okay, we go into blue almost immediately. That is why when we are trading boom and crash, normally there is a spike that happen and push our trade into red, we are always scared. Okay, we are always scared and we close it immediately in loss. Okay, there are two things that can force you to do that. It is either you 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 use it is either you are scared or you are not used to the system which the assets boom and crash is using to trade, or probably you are using a very wrong lot size, as in a wrong lot size, probably a lot size that your trading capital will not be able to control, which is also applicable to every other asset, including fiat currency. If you are trading fiat currency and you are using abnormal lot size, a lot size that can eat up your capital immediately, if you go into the market, a huge amount of your money will be chopped off. And if you are not if you are not good enough with the way it is going, you end up closing it at loss, and you might not be able to to trade properly again, because it's going to affect you emotionally and psychologically. So the same thing is applicable to boom and crash. Forget about the sudden spike that happens. Okay, so you need to get used, to understand this so that you can trade it successfully. So how do we now know the best time to trade the spikes? If you are going to trade the spikes, you see it as if you are trading other currencies. Normally you just see it as if you are trading it normally. Okay, for instance, in boom, if you are buying the spikes in boom or you are selling the spikes in crash, then definitely you know you are buying and selling. Okay, that is it. Okay, so what you should take note of is, these are the things you should take note of before you start doing buying and selling, okay, of the spikes in boom and crash. The first thing is, one, make sure you go in the right trend. Okay, right trend. Make sure you go in the right trend. Okay, like I always say in my video, the trend is always important. If you don't know the right trend to trade the spikes, then you might be finding it difficult. For boom, the right trend is when the market is on uptrend, or when the uptrend is about to start. Okay, for crash, it should be in downtrend, or when the downtrend is about to start. Okay, then number two is, make sure you observe your support and resistance levels. Okay, and resistance levels, make sure you observe these two. They are very, very important. Okay, they are very, very important. Make sure you observe these two, support and resistance level. Once you are able to identify these areas, then you will be able to know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, then number three is, use the right lot size. Okay, for your, or probably let me use know your right entry point and exit point. Okay, then number 4 is use the right lot size that your trading capital can control. Okay, right lot size that your trading capital can control. So that is very, very important. That is very, very important. Okay, if you are not using any of these, or if you are not following all this, then you might be having a big problem whenever you are trading. Okay, there are no major magic in this. Okay, all you just need to do is to understand this. No matter how perfect the strategy they are teaching you, if you don't use the right lot size, you will end up burning out your your trading capital. Okay, if you don't use the right lot size, it might be working for you right now, but later on you will burn off your trading capital. So you need to be patient enough in order to achieve what you truly want. If you are not patient enough, then you are not ready to trade. You are not ready to trade if you are not patient enough. So let's go straight into the chart so that we get to see what we have on the chart and see how we can achieve this. Okay, you can see I'm using the QDC scripper indicator because it saves me a lot of stress of trying to do the analysis technically or manually. Okay, trying to do the analysis manually, it saves me a lot of stress of trying to do this. Okay, if I'm to trade it, this is crash 500. If I'm to trade the spikes, I love trading it for a very long time. I'm not looking at a single spikes happening and running out of the market. Okay, so what do I do in order to trade it? Okay, I try to understand the trend. Okay, once I'm in the right trend, I identify the right support or the right resistance which I can take advantage of. It now depends on the asset I'm trading. Okay, and it also depends on the method which I'm using. Okay, for boom, I focus more on the support level in order to trade the spikes, which is the major support level, and for crash I focus more on the resistance level in order to trade the spikes, except if I want to trade the breakout actions. Okay, that is when I will focus on the other parts of it. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say. Okay, for this is crash 500. Right here is a resistance level. So once this price action is approaching this resistance level, I know that it is most likely for a spike to happen around here. Okay, it is most likely for a spike to happen around there using my technical analysis. Okay, but my indicator has also shown me that at that place. Okay, this is what I usually do. I either take it to M5, M15 or M30. Okay, because I want to trade it for a very long time. I don't just want a single spike and run away. No, and I don't want a kind of hit and run approach. I want to trade it for a very long time. That is what I do in most cases. So this is what I do. This is M5 at the moment. So I try to spot the beginning of the trend. As you can see, the trend moved from green to red. Okay, before it gets to red, we got a yellow bar here, which we are having a drop down arrow right there. Okay, so which means that the market is going back into a downtrend. So what I do is I put my first order here using a small trading capital. Okay, because it is most likely that it also break out from that resistance level because it is coming from a very strong uptrend. So it might find difficult to go back into the downtrend successfully. So but I place my first order here on this resistance level using my small trading capital, and after some spikes, once it gets to this 4 MA candles, I will place another order right here below the 4 MA candles because I know it's going to break it. Once it breaks it, then I should be going into I should be in profit around it. Might not happen immediately, but it will definitely happen. Remember, the first order is already in profit, so all I'm waiting for is this one to also go into profit. Okay, and of course it will go into profit, and just the way you are seeing it, it started spiking and spiking, and right as it got to this support level, went back up again and came down. It is actually trying to break out from this support level, but so far this place is still red. I am still good. Okay, you can see that the two orders are in profit at the moment. Okay, so that is how sweet this is. And of course, if you want to have more order, I would put another one here when there is a pullback. Okay, so I will put another one here, so that is going to make it three order going on, and the trend is still going on. I will continue like that till the end of the trend. So that is how beautiful this is. Okay, so I'm going to show you more examples. Okay, let me go to boom 500. You can see right here the support. You can see it, the trend has also started right here from this support level, and you can see it spiking up. I will have personally, I will have placed another order right here just above the 4 MA candles. That will have given me the opportunity to have two orders in the market, and probably I will have placed another one right here. And check out, I will have benefited from all these spikes happening, and I'll be in the market till the end of the trend. Okay, so that is how easy this is. Okay, so I can go like that for long and close my trades whenever I am okay with the profit I've made, or probably when the trend is coming to an end, so I can close my order at that particular point. So this is very easy. You guys can always try it out. Okay, so I'll be stopping right here, but this is what I want you to do before I put an end to this video. Okay, I want you to understand everything I have highlighted in this video, and also make sure you try to know your trading capital, and try to see the lot size you want to use in order to trade with it. So what you should do right now is to have this set up on your demo account and try it out throughout today and see if you will end up in profit or not. Okay, and if you have been doing this before, okay, you can just practice it. Probably you already understood the way the QDC scraper QDC scraper indicator works. Okay, all you just need to do is just to practice for like 1 hour 2 hours, just to make sure everything is working on perfect, just as explained. Then you can now go on your real account. Okay, you can now go on your real account and try it out. Okay, you can also share your results with me. I want to see your result, so that we will know if you are actually making progress with it or not. Okay, so that is all we need to do today. So make sure you practice this and perfect your skills. So, and make sure you share your results with me before you try it out on your real account. I will be happy to check it out with you guys. Okay, so I'll be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and of course you will get it in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.